Hello everyone, so I'm back at the 2 flats, 2 6-bed, all-en-suite HMO conversion. I'll give you a tour around now, see where we're up to. It's currently a Saturday morning. We are at the end of week 4. Let's have a look. So this is the current entry, where you come in the hallway. You'll see we're taken off to 1 metre high to do a damp proof. We have that checked. We're unable to do it because it's only single brick, but we are going to liquid tank this. And do a sand and cement slurry on top, just in case. What we've done here is you'll walk in, all the plaster back off, back to brick, and most of the house, not all the house. We found this original doorway that wasn't here before. So when the plaster came off in the radiator, we found that. It's not in the correct position. We are going to be moving the door to roughly here. This has allowed us to put an ensuite in here. Let me open the curtains and show you a walk around. Now the curtains are open, you can see where the doorway is, or where it used to be. That door is getting pulled along to here roughly, in the middle. It will open this way. We've put an ensuite in that corner, as we usually do. The bed can go on one side, bedside. We've already measured up. As usual, downstairs front bedroom with an ensuite here. You'll see that we've already got the surfaces in. That's the main soil stack. Normally we bring this soil stack down this side, which comes all the way down here into the basement, and we dig out normally. But underneath there's a solid floor, so we're unable to do that on this one. So what we've done, we've gone and brought it just underneath the ceiling into the middle kitchen area. I'll show you what we've done in here. Let me walk through the wall. So following on, the soil stack comes down that corner there. What we're going to do, this chimney stack here, is not very wide. We're going to box that off, and that'll cover most of that soil stack. It goes down into the basement, under the floor, and what we've done, we've gone teed off the original soil stack. You can see there, that's the original. There used to be a back door right here. We're going to knock that back through to bring that back into play. You can see there, we put a new inspection chamber. We teed off the original here, and this is where it's coming out of the basement onto the junction. Just behind there is the original soil stack. Not a lot of major change, but we've done that. That's the end of week 4. It's not a lot of change through that section yet. We've had the structural engineer out, because all this chimney is getting taken out. We're going to push the ensuite right back. That allows us to, whether we put a wall here or put a wall here, it doesn't really matter, but we will have a wall coming along towards the back door. We're going to reinstate, which was right there. That'll be reinstated, so that'll be a back bedroom with an ensuite at the rear of the property. The original back door, which is where that toilet is, and the bath you can see standing up, that's going to get bricked up, and the window, it's no longer needed for the ensuite. So let me take you upstairs. Upstairs, the usual layout that we do, we'll put a door frame in right here. That'll be a door frame. That'll be a back bedroom with an ensuite. I'll give you a quick walk around. So that's the ensuite already been formed. So this will be bedroom 3. Bedroom 1, ground stairs front. Bedroom 2, ground stairs rear. Bedroom 3, upstairs back. Bedroom 4 is here now. What you'll see here is that section you can see right there, so here, that was the original door, as you can see. So we put a piece of timber in to strengthen it. We have moved the door to the right hand side. which is literally right there. You've got to always forward plan on any conversion of where the bed, radiator and plugs are going to go, the ensuite and the door openings. If you're not forward planning, you're going to miss a lot of items out. You'll see walking around this building, a little simple change really. So you walk in this door here, the main door will open this way onto the ensuite. Same again, the ensuite's been formed. You'll see that'll be a toilet, sort of boxing this in. You can already see the sewer stacks awaiting the toilet. So that's where toilet will be. The sink will be on the end of them two tails. And the shower mixer valve will be there. So you can imagine the shower tray on the floor. But you can literally see how far this house is out. Look at the gap there. If I turn this around, look at the gap the other side. There's very little. That's how far the walls are out. So as I was saying, we've got to move the door from this section to here. That allows us to put a bed in. The tails for the rads are already in. We'll put a wardrobe here. And the drawers will be behind me. So if you think of now, I'm lying on the bed. Ensuite's over there. Over here will be a nice set of drawers. You can put your TV on the drawer. That's bedroom 4. Bedroom 5 is a very large front bedroom. I'm just in two minds at the moment whether to put a bit of a door frame in here. That allows a little bit of an extra room. We may even put a mini fridge under the stairs. Under the stairs are like fireboarded anyway. We are thinking about putting a bit of a kitchenette thing in here. It's a bit of a dry kitchen really. But same again, I'm in the corner of the room. Nice size ensuite. You'll see the first fix is getting ready right there. That's the tails, not joined up yet, but that's the tail for the mixer valve. Over there's the toilet stack. You'll see it's come along, joined up to bedroom 4. The sewer stack is already going up into the loft. Already, you can see the nice copper pipework there. All these copper pipeworks are marked up every metre with hot, cold or gas. Same again in here. I always like to do a little bit of a sketch really. This is something that I was playing around with originally. You can see ensuite, bit of a worktop, cupboard, fridge will be over here. Nice bed, radiator, sorry, double plugs, bedside with plugs. Already, you can see that's interaction. There's the tail. There's the tail for the radiator. That's what I like to see. Last but not least, a quick video. Up into the loft, it's pretty dark and horrible up here. This staircase, it wouldn't meet current regulations. So we're currently in talk with the building control to check if this loft has got any sign off. If it has, then these stairs are existing. They can't make it to change them. If there's no sign off from previous history, then we've got to change them. That's already in the budget to change anyway. So it's not like a hidden cost. It's something we've already pre-planned for. So this is a loft space. And you can see in here that there was walls all the way across. We're taking them back as far as we can. It's not usable floor area. The council will measure 1.5 metres high and use that internal parameter as their usable floor space. But this gives the illusion to tenants it feels bigger, feels more spacious. So you'll see the same that side. We've done exactly the same. That's boarded up. That'll get taken out, shoved all the way back, same as this side. That'll make this room feel really large. And just depends where the staircase is going to end up. The ensuite could go in that section, or it could go on this back wall here. We are taking all the roof off, refelt and battering, putting a brand new Velux in, because look at this. Pretty old. I don't know if you can even get them catches anymore. It's too high anyway. But yeah, so even the roof, it's not got the breathable membrane on anymore. It's a bit like a plastic sheeting. That's getting all taken off. It's already been costly for in the budget. So there's no hidden cost. So I hope that's helped you out. The end of week 4, it's now a Saturday morning. I'll come back next week to give you a guide how we've got on any further. Any questions or comments, please comment below. I'll try and put up here week 1 if you've missed the rest of the weeks. Any questions, speak to you soon.